Unfortunately, we got tape over that to hold the heart in, but if we follow the aortic arch here, we can see right there, and especially right there, the brachiocephalic trunk. And there's only one of them. You don't have them over here. Now, when it splits, it sends up the right side of the neck, the right, what?
Right carotid.
Right what? Common carotid, right. Let's say common now. This is the right subclavian. Right in there. If it gets out in here past the rib, it becomes the axillary, which we don't see anymore. So brachiocephalic trunk, right common carotid, right subclavian. Right here, even though it got tape over it, coming off the arch there, directly from the arch, is the left common carotid. Up the neck, giving rise to the internal and external carotids. Where do we find the subclavian here, left subclavian? You can barely see it right there, but you can clearly see it there. But technically, that would really be the axillary, but we still call it subclavian because it's convenient, you know, to point to it. What is this red vessel? Vein. The blue one is the artery, of course. How would I see the thoracic aorta? Take the heart out. Do that. There it is, right there. I've done that on test. I've actually taken the heart out, put a piece of tape there, said what specific part of the aorta is this right? Thank you, Lori. What part of the heart is a heart? What part of the aorta is this right here? That's thoracic. If you want to say thoracic descending, but you don't need to. You can say thoracic. And here's your diaphragm right here. What tube do you think that is?
Your esophagus.
Esophagus, yeah, because it's connected to the stomach right there. And here's the abdominal aorta penetrating through the diaphragm. The first branch, unpaired branch that is the celiac. Now when you say unpaired, it does branch itself, but it comes off as a single vessel. It sends a big artery over to the spleen, which is missing because that part has been taken out. Another part to the liver, kind of a backward view, J like that, and one up to the stomach. Let the gastric liver. Yeah. It starts out as common hepatic, gives off a few vessels, and then when it goes up into the liver, it becomes the proper or hepatic. I accept hepatic part. Proper hepatic is the name for it there. But all we can say this is right here is a celiac. You know, because we don't have the rest of it. Peeking out over the left renal vein is the superior mesenteric artery. Which runs off, right? To the renal. It comes off and goes to the intestinal tract, pancreas, large and small intestine. Below it, and Lori?
Yeah.
Now we now have the gonadal arteries. In this case ovarian, but we can call them gonadal. So you're going down to the ovary here. Right and left, both. That one didn't have it. The other model does have the arteries. We always have the veins here too.
So it's inferior to the renal?
Yeah.
Okay.
The renal artery would be here. Left one there and right one over there. Going into the kidney. Anybody know what this structure is?
The adrenal glands?
Adrenal glands. Or what our book calls suprarenal, which means the same thing. And so you can get a better picture. What's that?
Pancreas?
Spleen? Pancreas not there. Spleen. Spleen is upper left quadrant, left of the stomach. Pancreas is underneath the stomach. And there's the left kidney and right kidney and adrenal glands, suprarenal glands. These are your any stress glands here.
Where's the rest of him?
Over there, kind of spread around. Okay. Here we got the common iliac, internal, which is very well represented there. Good one. external iliac artery comes down here, and then bump, femoral. Then we have the femoral vein too.
The abdominal wall or the underside
there.
becomes
If
the
you look at
femoral.
Adam, you'll notice there are two arteries that mark the boundary between the external iliac and the femoral. But here we can just say it's past the body wall. Be done with it. Now, what about an arm and a leg?